Hi, everybody. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to log out of Instagram on all devices. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. To do this, we go to Instagram. At the bottom right corner, we click on our profile sign. Once we're on our profile, at the top in the right-hand corner, we need to click on the three bars. Select the first row of settings. In order to go to Instagram settings, we need to find the Meta Account Center. I have it at the bottom. You may have it at the top under the search bar. Once we see the Meta Account Center, we click on it. Great! Here we find the password and security section, and we click on that. Next, we click where you're logged in. And this is where we need to select our account, which we want to log out of on different devices. So we're going to choose an account. And as we can see here, there are several devices that I've logged into Instagram. I have a Tecno Spark 10 Pro phone. I also logged in on my laptop. In order to clear, we need to click on the red line, select devices to log out. And we have to select all of our devices. After that, we click Log Out and confirm our action. This may take a while. Great! As you can see, we're now logged out of this Instagram from all devices, except the one we're on right now. Now, if you're worried that someone might know your passwords and use them to access your Instagram from another device, then we need to go back to Password and Security and select the very first option, Change Password. Select the page. Here we can change the password. To do this, we need to enter the password that we have now. Then we need to enter a new password. And we need to enter the new password again. After we've made all the changes, we need to confirm the new password. After that, you have changed your password and you will be sure that no one will be able to access your Instagram from any other device. This is how you can log out of Instagram on all devices. Hope the provided information and video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.